If your push-up routine has become predictable and easy, you're probably not seeing the results you want. Boredom can lead to plateaus in strength and muscle growth. The solution: introducing new push-up variations that target different muscle groups, engage your core, and challenge your stability. The solution: the ultimate push-up list you've been searching for. Here's your guide to discovering all the push-up variations you need to keep your routine fresh, effective, and challenging. Each variation will help you build strength in new ways, increase muscle definition, and enhance your overall fitness. 1. Standard push-up. The foundational push-up works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Keep your body straight from head to heels to engage your core. 2. Diamond push-up. Position your hands close together, forming a diamond shape under your chest. This variation targets your triceps more intensely. 3. Wide push-up. Place your hands wider than shoulder width apart to emphasize your chest and shoulder muscles. This variation activates more of your chest. 4. Decline push-up. Elevate your feet on a bench or step while keeping your hands on the floor. This targets your upper chest and shoulders more intensely. 5. Incline push-up. Place your hands on an elevated surface, like a bench or wall. This variation is great for beginners and focuses on the lower chest and shoulders. 6. Clap push-up. Explode off the ground and clap your hands before catching yourself in the next push-up. This variation builds explosive strength in the upper body. 7. Plyometric push-up. Similar to the clap push-up, but perform this with a controlled landing back into your push-up position. It enhances coordination and power. 8. Archer push-up. Perform this push-up one arm at a time, shifting your weight from side to side. This variation really targets the chest, shoulders, and core. 9. Side-to-side push-up. Scorpion push-up. Alternate your hands from one side to the other while keeping your body stable. It works your chest, shoulders, and core. 10. Handstand push-up. Place your body against a wall and perform push-ups while your feet are elevated. This move requires incredible shoulder strength and coordination. 11. One-arm push-up. Push-ups with one arm. Take your core stability to the next level while targeting each arm individually. 12. T push-up. Rotate your body to one side at the top of the push-up, raising one arm straight into the air. This variation builds shoulder strength and improves stability. 13. Plank push-up. Incorporate a plank position at the top of the push-up. This variation works your chest, shoulders, and engages your entire core. 14. Military push-up. Place your hands very close together, just beneath your shoulders. This move targets your triceps and chest intensely. 15. Staggered push-up. Shift your hands so that one is higher than the other while performing a push-up. This challenges balance and stability while working your chest and shoulders.